Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rafila Medifa Daulay with NPM 1906378980. Now in this video I want to talk about my final project, which is optimization of knuckle joint diameter using Python. Yeah, this is the cover of the report. Yeah, this is the table of content, which consists of title page, table of content, chapter 1 preface that includes abstract, introduction, and objective. Chapter 2 is literature review, which consists of knuckle joint Python parameter and hypothesis. Chapter 3 is a methodology, which includes variable identification and research methodology. Chapter 4 is the result, which consists of development of the case, optimization Python code, result and result description. Chapter 5 is a conclusion and suggestion, which includes conclusion and suggestion. And then there will be a reference, and the last there will be an attachment. Okay, first of all, there will be a preface, abstract. Yeah, as you can see, there is a various application mechanical engineering have been presented in everyday human's life. One of them is a knuckle joint. Basically, in this abstract, I want to talk about knuckle joint is part of mechanical engineering, and we are trying to be competent in also designing these things because this thing is very close to mechanical engineering. Okay, the next is an introduction. Okay, in this part, I only talk about the methods and also like the main things of the knuckle joint itself, and also in this part I really talk about how these things could get an optimization by using a numerical method. A numerical method itself is using different programming language such as Python, C++, or Modelica. And then we need to determine the input level that can produce the best values in the machining process. Third is an objective. The main objective of this research is to discover the optimum size of a knuckle joint diameter. To design a proper knuckle joint, we need to search the optimum diameter of the joint in order to save the cost and save the space of the joint. Why I want to talk about this why this is my objective? Because I think the knuckle joint is always been used in a tiny space. Like if we know there is one of the application of this joint is a steering knuckle. Steering knuckle is only have a really tiny space, but it also needs to be strong. So what I want you to do is how that the combination of material that we use, the diameter and the positioning will make an optimum portion for the knuckle joint. Chapter 2 is the literature review. Yeah, this is the knuckle joint as you can see in the picture. Knuckle joint is a mechanical joint used to connect two rods with under tensile load. And knuckle joint consists of 5 parts. First is there is a single eye. This is the silver one. Double error fork, the gold one. Knuckle pin, the blue one. Color, the red one, and the tapered pin, and also the silver one. Okay, the knuckle joints can be made from various materials like aluminum, stainless steel, structural steel, magnesium, and so on. Second, we will talk about the Python itself. Python is a dynamically semantic interpreted object-oriented high-level programming language. It's a high-level built data structure to get with dynamic typing and dynamic binding, make it ideal for rapid application development as a scripting or glue language for connecting existing components. Like in this part, Python is one of the best programming language because it is very usual. This kind of programming language is very familiar with a lot of people in the world, and also it enhances the productivity for the maker. 2.3, we will talk about parameter. The most critical thing that we should do is to make optimum size of the joint to maintain the cost and also the space that could fill in. 2.4 is a hypothesis. To get an optimum we need to know about how much the maximum permissible tensile stress in the bars and the maximum permissible shear stress in the pin. Variable identification. Everything is determined based by invention in order to collect information, and conclusion is referred as a research variable. Sugiono, 2013. The diameter of joint is the first variable in the study. 3.2 is a research methodology. The methodology consists of 3 interconnected parts. First, experimental work based on theoretical study, followed by the development of the model based on the experimental work. And finally, the Python was used to discover the ideal diameter of joint and also find the best material for the pin and bars. Chapter 4 is, we will talk about the results. 4.1, development of the case. In this study, the model of knuckle joint consists of members shown below have well-designed art. We simulate there is the pull of 80 kN transmitted from bar X to bar Y. Yeah, this is only my assumption. Like if you want to use talk about this in a different axial load, in the different number of axial load, yeah, you can do it. But in this case, I will simulate with 80 kN. And also the maximum permissible tensile stress in the bar is 100 Newton per millimeter square, and the maximum permissible shear stress in the pin is 80 Newton per millimeter square. Yeah, yet this is also one of my assumption. So if you want to get another kind of number to enter the case, or to make the case, to make the model of the case, it's very good for you. 4.2, there will be an optimization of the Python code. Yeah, this is my code, print, optimization, import math. What I need to do to highlight for this Python code is this part, like tensile loading and shear loading. We assume that the name for the tensile load is dpt with math squared p per st times p per 4. And we need to, and for shear loading, we will assume it as a dps with math squared p per 2.2 times ss times p per 4. And also that we need to highlight from this code is this if else things. If dpt or dps, if dpt is bigger than the dps, print the final diameter of the pin round. Else, if else, print final diameter of the pin round dps per mm. Okay, why we need to do this? Because the maximum permissible shear stress, the diameter according to maximum permissible tensile stress and the diameter according to permissible shear stress is different. But we need to make the final diameter of the pin, because we know that we cannot make a 2 pin. We only need to make 1 pin. So we need to get the biggest one. Why? To make it safe, because the bigger the pin you are, the safer your knuckle joint will be. The result is this, yeah, force axial load, maximum permissible tensile stress, and so on. And then number 4.4 is a result description. After doing numerical calculation to find optimization using Python for 80 kN pull, the maximum permissible tensile stress in the bar is 100 Newton per millimeter square, and the maximum permissible shear stress in the pin is 80 Newton millimeter square. We found that diameter of pin due to tensile loading is 32 mm, and the diameter pin due to shear loading is 25 meter. But the final diameter of the pin is 32 mm. Why? As I said before, we need to get the biggest one to make it safe. The last is conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion is result concludes for that for 80 kN pull, the maximum permissible tensile stress in the bar is 100 Newton per millimeter square, and the maximum permissible shear stress in the pin is 80 Newton per millimeter square. We found that the diameter of pin due to tensile loading is 32, diameter pin due to shear loading is 25, but the final diameter of the pin will be 32. For the best material for the knuckle joint according to maximum permissible tensile stress and also maximum permissible shear stress, me as a writer choose aluminum 1100 as the best material. Why? Because aluminum 1100 have a maximum permissible shear stress and also the tensile stress have a range in 10 till 100 MPa. So it will be very safe if in this kind of maximum permissible shear stress and maximum permissible tensile stress that we input, to use aluminum 1100. 5.2 suggestion. Suggestion that what I want to share is the code is ready for use to offer all kind of possibility of permissible tensile stress, permissible shear stress, and also the outer force that affect the optimum size of your knuckle joint pin. And also writer wants to say, or me, I want to say that you need to use optimization as your daily needs, because optimization makes your life much better and also very saving costs. Okay, then this is the reference, like a Kalpak Gen book, Python, a textbook of machine design by Kurmi Gupta, and also www.engineeringchoice.com, what is a knuckle joint. And the last, this is the attachment of my final project. Why I use this attachment? Because to make it clear that I am the one who do this task, and also I don't make copy for another one, or I don't get this code from another people or my friend, because I do it on myself. So this is the proof that I am doing it all by myself. Okay, thank you for listening. I hope this video will be beneficial for me and also for all the readers and who watch these videos. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.